I created these static ads and UGC videos in minutes. This is MagicFit AI, an all-in-one platform for creating e-commerce ads, and in this video I'll walk you through its core features step by step so you can do the same. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. We'll start with the image generation feature. Head to the Image tab right in the center of the screen and upload your product photo. For this video, we're working with a perfume bottle. Make sure your uploaded image has a clean white background before you upload. This gives the AI the cleanest possible base to work with. Once uploaded, click Photo Studio and browse the available scene templates. For a perfume image, the Silk and Luxury template is a strong fit. Go ahead and select it. Now, you don't need to write a prompt if you've already chosen a scene template. The AI handles the rest. But if you want full creative control over the output, here's the prompt formula to use. For our perfume bottle, I'll type this: luxury glass perfume bottle on a cracked stone pedestal in a misty forest. Dappled sunlight hits the glass. Green moss and tiny wildflowers around the base. Wide-angle cinematic shot. This gives the image an artistic, editorial feel that makes the product stand out in a natural environment. Choose your preferred image model and orientation, then hit Generate. And here's the result, exactly as described in the prompt. Now, let's say you have the image but want to swap out the background or change the environment entirely. That's just as easy. Click the More option on the image and select Edit Image. For this example, we're going to replace the stone pedestal with marble and shift the overall environment to something more luxurious. In the prompt box, type, "Turn the forest background into a marble pedestal in a luxurious environment." And here's the output, a bold marble pedestal set in a high-end, luxurious scene. Same product, completely different feel in seconds. Now let's take that image and turn it into a video. Head over to the Video tab and upload your product image. Select your preferred video model, then in the prompt box type, "soft sunlight moving across the bottle and a slow cinematic zoom." Hit Generate and wait for the output. And there it is, fully dynamic, smooth, and polished. It looks like a professional product shoot without a single light, camera, or crew involved. Next, let's head over to the ad generation feature. Head over to Products on the top left and click Create Product. For this video, we're adding a perfume from Amazon. Simply paste the product URL and MagicFit automatically fetches all the details for you. Now, let's build the ad. Click Ad Maker on the second bar from the top. Browse the available templates and pick one that suits your product. Since we're working with a perfume bottle, search within the Home category to find a template that fits the aesthetic. Select your product or paste the URL, then fill in the details. From here, you can choose your preferred image generation model, target audience, dimensions, number of ads to generate, product specifications, and any other relevant details. Hit Generate and wait for the outputs. Honestly, the results look completely professional. These ads pitch the product well and look like something a creative agency put together. If you want to refine any of them, click More on the image and select Edit in Canvas. The editing tools give you a lot of room to customize, rotate, crop, annotate, frame, and much more. Once you have your ad, we can turn it into a video. Click on whichever ad you want to animate into a video. Add your start and end frames to define the motion. MagicFit automatically fills in the prompt box based on the product details you provided earlier, so you don't need to write anything from scratch. Select your orientation and choose your video model. For this one, we're going with Kling 2.6 Pro. Hit Generate. And the output is incredible. It looks straight out of a TV commercial, polished, dynamic, and ready to run. Now let's take it a step further and create a model video for your product. Click on a UGC ad template to get started. From the available options, select a product showcase template that fits your product. Once selected, add your product and fill in the relevant details. Next, head to the Ad Settings menu and choose your caption style, language, and target audience. Once that's done, browse the available scripts and select one that feels right for your product. Finally, select your avatar and voice, and you're good to go. Within a few minutes, your output will be ready, and the results are genuinely mind-blowing.
Spend way too much on that, honestly just faded before I even got a class.
The lip sync is accurate, the pacing feels natural, and the whole video flows smoothly from start to finish. You can also use MagicFit to generate viral hook videos for your product. Click AI Agents and select Viral Ad Copy. Paste your product URL and click Generate Hooks. Within seconds, you'll have a set of ready-to-use hooks with real viral potential. Once you find one you like, click the video icon on the hook you want to use. From here, you can either pick from the available video templates or create your own using AI. To build your own, select the gender and age of your model, then describe what you want in the prompt box. For example, a beautiful female model recommending the perfume and ends with a call to buy this perfume before summer. Select the hook, hit generate, and wait for the output. Now, the output we got is good, but worth mentioning.
Absolutely love this perfume. It's the perfect fright for some percent.
The audio came out a little unclear, and the video had some minor glitches. If you have credits available, regenerating the video usually clears those issues up. Before wrapping up, let's talk pricing. The free plan is a great way to test the tool before committing. You get 50 credits and access to elite models, including Kling 2.6 Pro and Sora 2, but you can't download your creations. Paid plan starts at $19 per month with 650 credits and full access to all core features. Overall, MagicFit AI is an impressive AI-powered content studio to instantly transform single product images or URLs into professional marketing assets. You can edit AI creations on Canvas and use templates to save time. So try out MagicFit AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.